Good morning, students. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, after many days we are meeting. I think last session I was not there. I had some exam duty in the university. So today we are going to start. And whose turn is there to open the session? By the way, last.
Yes, ma'am. It's my turn.
Yeah, very good. So please open the session.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this task. It's my pleasure to performing this task. In the previous session, ma'am, the whole session was just spent in some assignment submission. Today we are going to do something new. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Means so in our previous session we have finished our assignment number one. Uh, The name is introducing yourself and introducing to peers. So that we have done activity and we have the submission of the same. Fine. So today we are going to start our, you can say, next topic. The name is expressing point of view, because it's a very famous line. You can see that sometimes you can say that we all, you can say, have to agree to disagree. So the same thing, we are going to learn how to agree and how to disagree, expressing point of view. So today we are going to learn regarding agreement and disagreement, and you will also learn how to share your options, opinions in general, personal, formal, as well as in informal manners. So there is a one video that you all are going to watch today. Is the video you can't hear the voice. So what I have done is, sorry, what I have done is I passed the link instead of video, so you all can watch this video and then we can discuss. I'm just pasting the link in your chat box.
मैडम लैपटॉप से अगर करें तो ऑडियो भी शेयर कर सकते हैं, सिर्फ आपको खुद का माइक ऑफ रखना पड़ेगा और डिवाइस का ऑडियो का ऑप्शन शुरू करना पड़ेगा, ऑन करना पड़ेगा.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Abdul, for suggesting this idea. But I'm already using laptop and I have done all this thing. I'm keeping my mic off. At the same time, I'm keeping my mic on. Mic on. Both the things I have tried, but it's not working. So that's why I have.
Ma'am,
Yeah, good.
while presenting you have to go to a tab, not your entire screen. Then only voice will come.
And this also I have done. So thank you for your suggestion. This also I have done, but then also it's not working. So that's why I have shared the link. You please go through this video, YouTube link, and then come back here. You 5 minute time. Watch this video, then come back here.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Done.
Okay, fine. So yes, all of you please come back here. I think it's just 1.5 minutes video, not more than 2 minutes. Less than 2 minute video is there. So fine. So what did you observe from this video? Chalo, let's discuss. What did you observe?
Agreements and disagreements. How to express our opinions.
Okay.
Well, one of them had an opinion that is good, but the other had an opinion that Facebook is bad.
Okay, fine. Anybody else? Yeah, we go. I've seen your comment. Different opinion. Okay, good. Anybody else?
Ma'am, way to share our opinion.
Okay, good, great.
uh, how to disagree or agree and give our reasons for doing so.
Okay, yeah, right, right. Okay, Ankur. Hmm. Anybody else wants to try?
यस मैम।
Yes, JB.
मैम मतलब हम जैसे सेंटेंस को फॉर्म करेंगे
Hmm.
वैसे लोग डिस एग्री और एग्री करेंगे, मतलब वो हमारे पर है हम कैसे सेंटेंस फॉर्म करेंगे। वो
Fine.
पहला जो सेंटेंस था उसमें उसने कहा कि फेसबुक अच्छा है क्योंकि टच में रहते हैं
Hmm.
फ्रेंड्स के, तो सामने वाले ने अग्री किया।
Hmm.
फिर उसने सेंटेंस बदल दिया कि फेसबुक इसलिए अच्छा है क्योंकि बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स मिलते हैं, तो वो डिसएग्री हो गए। तो वो सेंटेंस पर है हमारे।
Okay, fine. Chalo, got it. Good, JB. Good attempt. But next time it should be in English. Good, good for this. Yeah. Next. Anybody? So exactly, you all have, you can say, noticed the thing. So for this thing, I just wanted to share two things. You observe a very good, you can say, you can say very good points that you have observed. All of you, those who have observed. So there are two things: formal and informal point of views. Formal and informal point of views. What is formal? What is informal? That we have already learned. So I'm not going into detail. So there are formal ways for expressing point of view in general. It is generally accepted. So you have just now go through those phrases. That is, you can say this will help you a lot. By the way, let me say one thing. These phrases will help you a lot because sometimes we do not know how to agree and how to disagree. Though we are disagree, but there is a certain way. There is a certain way through which we can present our point of view. This will help you, you can say, especially in GD, group discussion, in debate, as well as you can say you can say for you can say Viva interviews. So these are the things that are really, you can say, that will really help you to, you can say, to express your point of views, because there will be a GD again, not for, but again there is assignment, because there are all assignments that we will see in our next session. But I'm just telling you that this will help you, and I will notice this thing, that how you are doing discussion. So it is generally accepted that, it is considered that, some people think that these are the some formal. It is believed that it goes without saying that. So these are some formal ways of expressing point of views. Now there are some personal point of views according to my point of view. Generally, we are saying, in my opinion, in my point of view, from my point of view, I am of the opinion that if you want my honest opinion, I think, I consider, I find, I feel, I believe, I suppose. So, as for me, as far as I'm concerned, I would say that I'm sure, I'm certain that, to my mind, I would. So, you can see that there is a huge list. So, so this kind of expressions are required whenever we are, you can say, expressing our point of view. If you want to particularly talk about your opinion, then this phrases will help you. But if you want to generalize, then it is then you have to use generalized words. So there are strong agreement. So this is called formal ways of expressing point of view, but in personal. Now this is called strong agreement. When it's a strong way that I agree with you entirely, whatever you have said. You are absolutely right. I would go along with you. So this shows strong agreement that you are 100% agree with whatever thing the person have said or have done. And now, at the same time, this is called neutral agreement. Now, neutral means what? Can anybody tell me what is called neutral? What is neutral opinions?
Not any of the side.
Not any of this side. Okay, fine, good. Yagnesh? So when we talk about the, you can say, agreement, especially when we say strong agreement, what does it mean? We are 100% agree with this thing. But when we talk about the neutral agreement, it means that we are not agree with the 100%. 100% we are not agree. Here, the degree of the level, I'm just talking about the degree, it shows that neutral means 50-50. 50% you are agree and 50% you are not agree. Neutral. Are you getting my point? So this is called neutral thing. Yes, I agree. I'm of the same opinion, or you can say I could agree more. That's just what I was thinking. So it shows neutral thing. While partial agreement, partial means what? Very, you can say 20, you agree with, you can say 20 to 30% only. 70 to 30% only. This is called 20 to 30, this is called 50, this is for 100. So when you agree 20 to 30% with somebody, that I don't agree with you completely, but I agree with this in this point. I'm not exactly on the same page as you are, because I, you can say that you have to end, you can say finish this sentence ending portion, because there was something different in my mind, you can say. So as per the situation and as per your opinion, you have to use this kind of phrases. Now again, there is a video. Now in this video, just a second, I'm sharing the link. First you finish this video and then we will discuss. Good meal, buy snails and let have wait. Rahul. So finish this video and then come back here again. Good. Then, chalo, 1 minute. All of you, please come back here within a minute. So fine. Now, yeah. Yeah. Now share your opinions. What did you observe? Whatever you observe, you have to share your point, either in a written form, in oral form. You can type or you can speak. It's your choice.
In the video, one person agrees with the other one.
Okay. Neil?
Madam, they show how to disagree with any opinion of other person.
Okay, good. Anyone else?
They show the use of neither nor. Neither nor.
Ma'am, to avoid repetition, it say I do so means in video it is said that I do so.
Very good. Good observation, Ranjay. Yes. So good, Ankur. Even I'm reading your chat box. So don't worry. Even Ankur, Vaibhav, Javik, if you want to disagree, we have to stick with your opinion. Okay, good, Javik. Agree on a particular thing. Okay, fine. So now, what I wanted to, you can say, why this video is there. The reason is that this is for agree and disagree that you have seen the video is, but the point is that English is very formal language, as you all know very well. So if you want to disagree with something, it is, you can say, expected that you should be polite enough. If you want to, you can't say that I disagree with you, I'm not agree with you. This shows very rudeness when somebody is saying like that, I'm not agree with you. But if you want to say the same thing, if you want to say the same thing, though you are disagree, 100% strongly you are disagree, but instead of saying that I disagree, I completely disagree, it is very important to, you can say, you can say that use certain kind of language that doesn't show that you are a rude person. So that is why it is very important to learn this kind of phrases, especially because if we talk about the agreement thing, then in agreement, I know you all can manage well. But if we talk about the disagreement, generally we disagree more than agree, right? So to show disagreement, it is very important to show a disagreement in a such a way that somebody should not get, you can say, somebody should not get, you can say, in a form of insulting, or you can say in a form of rudeness. So you can say that I can agree with you to a point, but so to some extent I agree with you, but so here, but plays a very important role, you can say. Just a second. So whenever it's a connecting link, whenever we are using this thing, especially if you want, if you participate in a GD or any debate or anything, here this plays a major role. So whenever especially in GD and interviews, they observe your opinions, they observe, they wanted to know your opinions. It doesn't mean that always we agree with whatever and whosoever is saying. So here we have to put our, you can say, our opinion, but in a such a way that it should not look like that you are a arrogant, or you can say you are a egoistic person. So use this. We have to use this kind of phrases that you have point that I'm not sure about that. Just a second. There is a disturbance. Yes. So I think am I audible right now?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
There was a disturbance, so that's fine. So you can see that this shows the partial disagreement. Now this is again it's for neutral disagreement. So you can see some phrases that shows the neutral disagreement that I'm not certain that I really can't agree with you on that. I can't help feeling or thinking that. So I see your point, of course. However, so this is very important. However, that but this so through this kind of you can say so, so this shows the neutral disagreement. Neutral means when you are 50% agree and 50% disagree. When you are not, you can say 100% disagree with the point. At that time we are using neutral disagreement. Now next is strong disagreement. Now you see that these are the phrases for strong disagreement. It means that you are 100% disagree with the 100%.
Ma'am, can you just speak a bit more loudly?
Yeah, sure. Just a sec. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So this shows the strong disagreement that I disagree because I don't agree at all. I don't agree at all. Now this is this is I'm just want to highlight this thing that do be careful whenever you are using these two phrases, especially with two phrases. This shows rudeness. So try to avoid this is also fine, but try to avoid this phrase because sometimes it shows rudeness. So instead of using this thing, it is you can say advisable to use this kind of phrases like that's not going to work, or you can say what you are saying it's just not feasible. I totally entirely disagree with you. This can also work, but this is completely not a proper way to say. You are completely mistaken. That's not all you can say practical or you can say acceptable. So under no circumstances I could agree with you that. So This shows the strong disagreement that we are seeing. So now this is informal agreement, and there are some, you can say, informal and formal agreement that we will see. In informal, you can use more than that even. Great idea, fine with me, sounds great. I have to admit, but you are right. Ditto. Generally, we are using, yeah, sure, yeah, maybe you are right if you say so. So these are the informal. I'm not going too much time on informal thing because again, it's part of education and it change is for the, you can say, culture in the time zone. In informal disagreement, this is again informal disagreement. So you can see that generally you all are using this kind of phrases that what's happening. That's ridiculous. No, I couldn't agree with this. You are wrong. You can't be serious. You have got to be kidding. No, I don't agree with you. So these are the informal. Here it's depend on your relation with the person. Now you read this statement carefully, all of you. Then there will be activity. That's why you read this statement, all of you, carefully. Then
Yes, ma'am.
fine. Now what we will do is I will ask randomly to anybody, and you have to show that whether you are agree, whether you are disagree. It's your choice. I'm not telling you have to agree or you have to agree, disagree. But you have to use if you are a 100% agree, if you are neutral, partial, whatever your choice is of agreement and disagreement. But uh, we all have seen the phrases, right? So the activity is on the base of phrases that how much you can use these phrases and how you can use the uh, answer this question, right? Fine. So we will start. Do you all
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. See, just a second. Instead of you can say doing this thing with few students, I think we should do it with everyone. So all of you, you have to type in the chat box, okay? Not speak because if you speak all together, okay, for students, then I can't hear anything. So at least any one answer, any one out of all this question, you have to pick anyone, and then you have to show your disagreement or agreement, right? You have to show your agreement or disagreement with the proper answer, proper justification. Okay?
In chat box?
Yeah, in chat box.
Okay.
Yeah. So you have 2 to 5 minute time. You have to show your disagreement or agreement with any one point. You can select any topic. Your time starts now. Yes, good. Both of you, Ankur and Neil. What about others?
Ma'am, writing.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, do we have to write or speak?
Yes.
Ma'am, do we have to write or speak?
No, right. Because if you all 56% speak, then it takes too much time.
Okay, ma'am.
That's why. So good, excellent, all of you. But I'm so happy that you have shared your opinion. But I want to, we can say, draw your attention that generally you missed one line. The line is that you have to write that I agree with this thing or I disagree with this thing, and then you have to then you have to give your reason that why. So, for example, just a second. Yes. So, for example, you agree. I agree. Then you have to start with it's a reason question that you have to show this thing there. Yes, I agree with the statement. I agree with the entire thing. We can say I fully agree. I'm of the same opinion. Absolutely. Exactly. There is no doubt about it that. So you have to use the variety. If you are a neutral agree, partial agreement, or a neutral agreement, so you have to start your sentence with this kind of phrases, and then you have to show your reasons, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So this is missing in many of the students' answer because I'm reading all of that. I've read all the vehicles answers that you have written in the chat box. So this is the way you have to start. I know you all are agree with all the points, all the topics. You maybe disagree. So for example, let me give you one example. So for example, demonetization was a successful exercise. So according to you, you are agree. But for according to some point of some students, they might be not agree with this thing, right? So you are just giving me the reason. So instead of giving the reason, what you have to do is first you have to give the reason. Reason is fine. You have to give, but you have to start with first line that whatever statement is there, I am not agree with this thing. So here you I think confuse that here it is written you, but you have to change the pronoun. I totally, entirely, or you can say completely disagree with this statement. Instead of you have to change this statement. And then you have to give your reason why you are disagree with this statement. Right? So that way, this was this task. Got it? Got it all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So there will be another task. Don't worry. We have lots of tasks. We have many activities to do because the subject is all about activity. Skill based subject. It's not. It's a theory based subject. So that's why. Now you read this thing. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have seen in the chat box that many students have written many. So now this will be in oral form. Now it is not in written type. Okay, now no need to type. Now you have to tell me, okay, that many students have you can say given their opinion in your chat box. You can go through in the chat box, right? So in this chat box, you have to now you have to tell me any one example, any one point, any one student's, or you can say opinion you have to pick and you have to tell me. Any one student's opinion you have to pick and tell me whether you agree with him or her or not, or whether you agree or whether you disagree. You have to show your opinion. Are you getting my point? All of you? What you have to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the answers. These are the slides. It means in the chat boxes you have answers. Now you have to pick any one opinion, not student, but opinion, one opinion, and then you have to show that. You have to tell me that whether you agree or disagree with him or her, or you can say with this opinion that whosoever is given. Got it, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So now those who are ready, tell
I
me.
disagree with Anku's opinion.
Okay, who is ready? Abdali.
No, no, ma'am. I was kidding.
Okay. Who is ready to give opinion? His opinion, his or her opinion.
Ma'am, I am ready.
Yeah, Ranjay, give anyone opinion to anyone of the. opinions that are shared by any by your classmate. Anyone, pick anyone. ये रंजय, किसका ले रहे हो आप? Whose opinion you are taking?
Ma'am, I take opinion on playing PUBG is good time pass. Means,
Who have given the opinion on that?
ma'am, I created ma'am with myself.
No, what was the question? I think there is a confusion. Let me define it again. You go through
Yeah,
the
I'm ready.
yeah. Just a second, Abdul. You go through the chat box. Okay, in a chat box you find many opinions are there. So you have to show any. You have to pick any one opinion with whom you agree or with whom you disagree. Okay. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
list of opinion we have in the chat box. Okay. So now you have to give your own opinion on that particular opinion. Got it? Am I clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Very
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, who is going to be first?
I am also ready, ma'am.
Okay. So first, Abdeli, then Ankur. Okay, Abdeli. Yeah, Abdeli. On which opinion you are giving your own opinion?
I'm giving opinion on Lignish's answer.
Okay.
Well, I agree. I see his point in his answer, but I disagree with his opinion. I think military training should not be compulsory in all youth, because we are in the times of peace, and if we show that the military training in our country is compulsory, we will show an aggressive image to other countries, other neighboring countries, and it could have negative impact on our uh, relations with other countries. But yes, self-defense is necessary.
Okay, fine, Abdeli. Anybody else? Tell who is ready next? Ankur. Yeah, Ankur.
Ma'am, I am going to speak on Abdi Ali's comment.
Hmm.
I completely agree with him, as Jio has brought good change to this country, because before Jio, only 5 to 10% of the Indians were able to use the internet at that much high cost, and no one was using casually like we are using right now, like for playing games and all that. The all 10% were using for only work purpose and all that. But due to Jio, it is way cheaper, and now people also can use it for entertainment purpose, and it is in fact really very much cheaper than US and UK, as Abdi Ali said. So I think his response is very much appreciated. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Good, Ankur. Now, who is next? Who is next?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I am disagree with Janil's point. He's telling that public transport should not be free. I mean, we are currently in a phase right now where we should concerned about the environment of this planet, because this is the only planet where human life is possible. So, if a public transport is free, then all people can travel through public transport instead of private vehicles. And also from class 8, 9 onwards, we were taught use to public transport, not private vehicles. So use of public transport must be in there, and it should be free of cost in regards of environment.
Okay, good, Yagnesh. Now, next.
Ma'am, can I give comment to Yagnesh point?
Not comment, my opinion. We have to use.
Yes, ma'am. My opinion.
Yeah.
Ma'am, in my point of view, we are not going to charge any money, but if we put a small amount, it does not affect the transportation. So ma'am, if we put a small charges, then it should give some amount of money, and with that money we can earn resources.
Okay, fine, good. So now, what my point is that what I observe is that all of you have given a very good, you can say, their own opinions over the opinions of others. So it's a nice observation as well as a nice opinion that you have given. So excellent, all of you, those who have given, even in the chat box as well as on a oral form when they have given opinion to somebody else's opinion. But what my point is that here is that you focused more on the phrases that you have been taught today. Instead of saying that I disagree with this thing, I told you that it is very impolite way to say that I disagree with this and this thing. We have to use different kind of phrases, and that we have learned that instead of using I disagree, I told you this thing. We have to say that we have to start this thing that whatever the ABC person has said, that's not going to work, especially in the country like India. Are you getting my point? This is not practical, or you can say this is not acceptable, or you can say applicable. So this way you have to start. Whatever you are going to, or you can say whatever you are saying is just not feasible, because here we are not using saying, but we are using whatever he has written is not feasible. Are you getting my point or not, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So you whatever reasons you have given, they are, you can say, they are really well formed, content wise, ideology in the form of, you can say, thinking pattern. You have very good thinking pattern, that you have given very correct exact reason that why this should be and this should not be. But start with the phrase. Okay, start with the phrase. Your focus should be on the phrase right now, not future, but right now, because we are learning this topic. That's why focus over that you have to start with the phrase, and then you join your ideas, join your opinion. Got it, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
these are the things that I just wanted to share now. These are my opinion. These are my opinion. Okay, so it will be more, you can say, appropriate if you use this kind of phrases. So there is another activity, but we do not have time. I have list of activity. I have planned so many things, but the thing is that fine. So now, is there any question from your side?
ये नेक्स्ट सेशन में कंटिन्यू होगा मैडम?
Now we have to see, because there are so many topics I have to do, and I have list. You can say huge list of activities that I really, you can say, wanted to do in this class. That's why. And another activity even I have done. There are another things are there. But first, let's take attendance. And today, let's first take attendance. And just a second. I'm sharing one sheet, so you all can see whether you mark present or whether you are going to mark absent. So you come to know. Just a second. Right? So yes, Parth,
Yes, ma'am.
hurry up, all of you. जिसका next turn है ना, वो mic on करके ही रखना, so we can save our time. Okay. Ankur.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what I said, please open your mic when you see that your turn is going to come. Neil,
Present, ma'am.
Devik,
Present, ma'am.
Neil, Consagra,
Present, ma'am.
Deepak, Jyot,
Present, ma'am.
Param,
Present, ma'am.
Malik,
Present, ma'am.
Afsa, Ekta,
Present, ma'am.
Rishit,
Present, ma'am.
Shyam,
Yes, ma'am.
Deep,
Present, ma'am.
Prati,
Present, ma'am.
Aditya,
Present, ma'am.
Neville,
Present, ma'am.
Kushi, Love,
Present, ma'am.
Bhavya,
Present, ma'am.
Vasu,
Present, ma'am.
Harsh,
Present, ma'am.
Rajvi. I think she left. I have seen her. Abdeli,
Present, ma'am.
Harshit,
Present, ma'am.
Anand,
Present, ma'am.
Mayank,
Present, ma'am.
Rumil,
Present, ma'am.
Vivek,
Present, ma'am.
Sanjay,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Muhammad,
Present, ma'am.
Akhilesh,
Present, ma'am.
Rahul,
Present, ma'am. Yes.
Hiren,
Present, ma'am.
Josh,
Present, ma'am.
Aniket,
Present, ma'am.
Unnati, Raj,
Present.
Achyut, Pratik,
Present.
Krishna,
Present, ma'am.
Abhishek,
Present.
Mehul,
Present, ma'am.
Ishan,
Present, ma'am.
Raj,
Present, ma'am.
Gopal,
Yes, ma'am.
Kalpana,
Present, ma'am.
Raj, Bharad, Vibhav,
Present, ma'am.
Jayesh,
Present, ma'am.
Daniel,
Present, ma'am.
Harshit,
Present, ma'am.
Yagnesh,
Present, ma'am.
Janvi,
Present, ma'am.
Vishal,
Present, ma'am.
Heath,
Present, ma'am.
Dhruvik,
Present, ma'am.
huh. Anybody else whose name is not here?
Ma'am, I was present.
Your name? May I know your name?
Astha.
Okay, just a second, Astha. Wait. Yeah, Astha, done. So, and
I'm also present.
who is there?
Rajvi. Hello, ma'am.
Rajvi. Yeah, Rajvi, you left the session that I have seen. Yeah. Next, hurry up. Who is there? Fine. So, in my next session, my next session will be in February. Second, I'm giving you date, February 1st. Jyot, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Param,
Yes, ma'am.
are you there right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Jyot will open the session and Param will. And
Yes.
today we do not have Deepak. Deepak, are you there? Deep Kumar, sorry. Deep. So both of you, you have to make sure that you have to remain present. Okay, don't do this like the Deep has done, because it marks. You can see in my screen, haven't done. I remove this done. So I come to know that whosoever is done and whosoever is not done. So thank you so much, all of you, and we are meeting in our next session. So thank you, all of you.
Ma'am,
Just a second. Yeah.
ma'am, as we have discussed in